So we are super nervous because we are actually gonna get it confirmed by the doctor today if we are pregnant. Right, Hannah?
Yeah.
Can you sit down?
What's going on though? Is Brenda pregnant again? That's what happened to my dear Jessica.
Kenya, are you ready? I'm pregnant. Are you in shock too?
You're lying.
I am. Oh. I'm not lying, I am.
No, you're lying.
I'm not, I am.
No, you're lying.
I'm not lying, Kenya.
No, you're lying. How? No.
There you go.
A ver, lista para la foto.
Oh, this is so weird. No, it's not a phone, it's only recording. Okay. ¿Qué crees, tía? I don't even want to tell her.
¿Ya?
¿Qué crees, tía?
¿Qué? ¿Te estás embarazada?
Yeah.
Ah.
I swear, nobody believes me.
¿Sí?
So that is my piece, sorry. But my tia made me take another freaking test so I can prove to her that it says I'm pregnant. Oh, sí, nueva esa. I am pregnant. I know. And I say I know just because it's crazy that I'm pregnant, because I've always been the type of person that has been so anti-babies. Like, I've always been the person that just said, no, I don't want babies. Like, by the time I want babies, I'm probably gonna adopt because I'm gonna be so old. I just never imagined myself as a mom. Like, even my attitude and everything, I still don't. And it's weird. I have 9 months to get ready, or maybe less, I don't know. My doctor did say I am 7 weeks pregnant. I feel like it's less than that, but they did tell me they were gonna confirm once they did the first ultrasound. It's just crazy to think that there's something growing inside of me. And let me tell you, like, my reaction wasn't like, oh, I'm gonna get rid of it. And I mean, like, there's nothing wrong if you believe in that. I don't want to get into that, but like, there's nothing wrong if you did that or would do that. It's just I'm not the type of person personally, and even though it catch me by surprise, I was so dang happy. I literally didn't need a prueba to tell me that I was pregnant. I knew I was pregnant because I just felt like my heart was gonna explode. Like, I felt so happy, and it's crazy to say that, and unless you feel it, you're not, I mean, unless you're going through it, you're not gonna know what I'm talking about, because it's like this whole thing changes in you. And I didn't think that I was gonna be this happy, and I am. I'm really happy and excited. I'm not gonna tell you guys that I'm not afraid, because I am afraid of going through everything, because it is my first time. I am a fucking chicken when it comes to doctors. Like, I hate needles. I hate anything that has to do with hospitals. I hate it. I hate it. But I will do it. It just feels freaking amazing that I can give life to somebody. Like, that's so corny, but it's so true. Like, I'm so happy right now, and I know, like, it's gonna be hard for me, but I'm so happy that I don't really care about that, and I'm gonna do the best. And that is gonna affect you guys in the sense that I literally haven't done any makeup videos because I literally have felt like shit, and like, I've literally been sick for the past 3 weeks, and I just haven't had any energy to upload or do a video or stand. It basically, like, I'm gonna be doing an updated video, you guys, what I felt for all of you guys who want to see my progress and all that. But I've just felt really, really bad. I can't drink any medicine, so I literally have to fight out the cold, and it's been horrible those past days. I hope that little by little I get back into the rhythm of things. But right now it just feels like I'm in another person's body, which is so weird to say. But I will be making an update video for you guys, so don't worry about that. But I just really wanted to let you guys know that I adore you and I love you. And this is just like another chapter in my life and that I'm so excited about. I can't wait to share my experience with you guys. Please feel free to share your experience down below with me. If you had your first child already, or if you're expecting to, I really want to know, like, anything que me recomiendan, any consejos down there. Just tell me, like, don't eat hot Cheetos or something. I don't know, like, just let me know down below. You know, you guys are like my best resource of information as well, because you guys are my friends, and you know, friends tell each other the best things, help each other out. But yeah, just let me know down below anything that I should know about being a first mom. If you guys have gone through it, tell me if you guys are excited about this, tell me that you guys are happy for me. If you're not, but I'm really happy, and I'm happy that I get to share this with you guys here on this channel. I really do love you guys, and I hope to see you guys soon again with another video. But I really did just want to make this announcement and just let you guys know. I'm probably not gonna announce it on Snapchat or on Instagram or anything like that. I just don't want the world to know like that, you know, like what am I supposed to say? Like, I already felt weird making this video here, but I just wanted to really let you guys know. There's no other way for me to let you guys know, because I know some of you guys follow me on Snapchat, some of you guys follow me on Instagram, but you guys are all here, so I just wanted to let you guys know. Now I can breathe because I'm so nervous. But I really do love you guys, and I hope I see you guys in another video. So bye.